Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Zoo Airdrop listing update, how to deposit your token to an exchange. So we have 3 or 4 different exchanges where Zoo will be listed on 25th of February. The first exchange is Bitget exchange. The second one is KuCoin. The third one is Gate.io. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose Bitget exchange. Exchange, not wallet. If you are coming across my video for the first time, please like, share and subscribe, and also join my WhatsApp group where I share updates and everything to know about airdrop. Now let's go to the booth and place the withdrawal. So right here we have 4 different exchanges, 3 exchanges and 1 on-chain airdrop, that is on-chain, be it Tokenkeeper or wallet in Telegram. We have Bitget, we have Gate.io exchange and the KuCoin. These 3 exchanges is the major exchanges that Zoo airdrop will be listed on 25th of this month. Now let's click on Bitget exchange. Do you have a Bitget account? If you don't have a Bitget account, you click on no, I don't have it. But I believe all of us has a Bitget account. Then you click yes, I have it. So right here, trade smarter, trade on Bitget. So what is required here for us to deposit our tokens to Bitget is the Bitget UID and the Zoo deposit address. So they say here, let's read their updates. February 22, 2025 at 9 o'clock a.m. UTC, deposit ends. Then February 24th at 6 o'clock p.m. Bitget confirmation stroke decline. February 25th at 12 noon p.m. you will get your airdrop. So now let's go to Bitget exchange to copy our UID and the Zoo deposit address. So here on the Bitget exchange, tap over to this section to copy your UID. Tap on it. You can see your UID here. Click over to this section to copy it. Now let's go back to copy the Zoo deposit address. Now to copy the Zoo deposit address, tap on add funds. You tap on deposit crypto. So right here you're going to search for Zoo. Search for Zoo. Over here you can now see Zoo. Tap on it. Wait for it to load. So right here is the Zoo deposit address. This is my Zoo deposit address and the network is done. So I'm going to click here to copy the deposit address. Then I will go back to the booth to complete the transaction. So right here, you put your UID that you copied and the Zoo deposit address also. Now let me paste the deposit address. Paste. Then the next thing to do right now is to click on save and choose. Before you click on save and choose, make sure that your UID and the Zoo deposit address is correct. If not, you are going to lose the token. Yes. Then you click on save and choose. This method is chosen to withdraw token. At this point, you still have the option to reset withdrawal option. Maybe you want to change it to Gate.io or KuCoin, or you want to use on-chain. So this is how to withdraw your Zoo token allocation on Bitget. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Also join my WhatsApp group for more updates. Thank you guys.